do you think the biggest revelation or takeaway from Charis has been for you?
In first year, we have a course called Prosperity, Finance, and Giving, and it really started to get in me about, sow where you want to go, and like if they're an evangelist or a teacher, and that's what I want to be, sowing that way, that I was reaping more benefits and more revelation.
What would you tell somebody that's interested in coming to Charis?
God is the healer. He is the provider, and He has everything for you. And part of that comes from renewing your mind. As you learn about God, you learn how the kingdom works, and you learn who you are, who He is, and what He has for you. Everything changes. There's nothing that He withholds from you. He has the entire kingdom of God for you, and all you have to do is receive it like a present on your birthday.